We have just 72 hours. Illinois has done what they typically do, and that's sneak things in the back door. Gun owners in Illinois, it can all happen in just 72 hours. SB-8, which is a mandatory storage law in the state of Illinois, where a person at their home, on their land, in their business, must store a firearm if it's not being in use. And the penalties are going to be very stiff for those who don't comply with this law in Illinois, SB-8. Any person 18 years of age or under mustn't have access to that gun. It used to be 14 years of age or younger. Now it's up to 18. First offense, a cash penalty of $1,000. Subsequent offenses can turn felonious. If a bad guy breaks into your house, you're going to have to say, hold on, bad guy, just give me a little time so I can unlock my safe in the dark and load that pistola in the dark to protect myself. If a carjacking occurs in Chicago, that person is going to have to say, hold on, carjacker. Bear with me. Give me a moment. Let me unlock my safe. Load my pistol so I could stop the commission of that forcible felony. Mandatory, required gun storage in the state of Illinois is coming. And you still have an opportunity to file a witness slip, even though prior to witness slips were filed, yet they still press forward. Opposition to this bill was 7-1. Can you believe that? I mean, major, overwhelming opposition to this, but yet it's still rearing its ugly head, and it could all unravel in the next 72 hours. I'm going to put a link when I'm done with this video, when you're done watching, in the description, and you can fill your opposition. Let's up those numbers. Many say it doesn't even matter. I mean, people stop filing them because it doesn't matter. I mean, look what just happened. Currently 7-1. But we need to press forward and do it again, guys. Don't be weary. It doesn't stop in the state of Illinois. And I've been saying, even if this thing, which I don't think it's going to do, fails, even though Supreme Court rulings have proven otherwise, that it's necessary to have immediate access to that tool that best suits you as a reasonable, prudent, and cautious adult, able to exercise that Second Amendment ability, that right to defend yourself. Illinois continues to press forward. Listen, I get it. Normally I open my videos and I'm like, how's it going, folks? I trust all is well. Today is a bit more somber, because as they continue to pick away, as they continue to erode, I'm talking about the Illinois legislature, on that 2A, it's somber. It's really unfortunate. We could fill out witness slips. We can peacefully let our thoughts and ideologies be known. Maybe it has to happen at 2, 3 in the morning when, everyone is off work, right? Everyone has the time at that moment to, make a little noise in a peaceful way. I think that's important. So I'd like to know your thoughts, folks, because should a mandatory, or when this mandatory storage requirement for your firearms in the state of Illinois passes, and any person under the age of 18 or under must not have access to it, your firearm must be locked in a container, properly stored in your home, your vehicle, your business, your land. Unless that pistola, for example, is on your person. If it's on your person, then it's considered to be safe storage. But how about those long guns? All right, rifle, shotgun, any long guns, or other pistolas that you may have are going to have to be locked. I was in a gun shop in the Chicagoland area just a couple days ago, and I thought this to be very interesting, that they were rearranging their store. And I said, hey, what's going to be going on over here? And they indicated that this whole area is going to be filled with safes. Are they seeing the forest from the trees? Was that foreshadowing that the expectation that Illinoisans in the next 72 hours are going to be required under the mandate of law to store their firearms in a locked safe? Very interesting. So I'd like to know your thoughts. Is this going to be another act of public safety? Is it going to prevent any criminals? Is it going to turn you and me into a felon? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I ask that you share this video. Subscribe. In the description is a link for you to fill out a witness slip. It's the least you can do. It costs you nothing. Takes you just a few moments. I'll be seeing you soon.